Hello, welcome back. For today's video, I have an advent calendar unboxing. Is it too early? I don't know, but we're going to do it anyway. So this is one I've not actually had before. I've had loads of advent calendars, like beauty ones, but not this one. But I love Technic makeup. So this one is from Technic Cosmetics, and it's the Technic Cosmetics Countdown 24-day calendar. Got a little sneaky peek on there of the kind of things that are in there, but it looks really nice. It's quite weighty actually. So that's what it's like. This kind of holographic, obviously Christmassy print on there. And then we open it up and it's like this. So we've got all these little boxes in here. I'm trying to work out how to film this. I want you to be able to see it. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll kind of do this. Right, so jumping straight in. Where's number one? Here. Oh, do you know what? That's not going to work. You've seen it. There we go. I'll just open them. I was trying to be so organised there, but yeah, it just didn't work out, did it? Organisation and me just don't mix. Right, so number one, we have this little square box. I think we've got half of them are like this, and then the other half are bigger kind of rectangular boxes. They come in this really cute tissue paper. Oh, that looks really nice. So the first one is this one here. So it's the Single Mingles Eyeshadow Duo, and it's a really nice shade actually. It's quite big, isn't it? So that's what that one's like. So we've got a matte shade and a shimmer shade in there. Oh, that shimmer's so smooth. So like that. And then I'll swatch them as we go. Wow, look at that. That's really nice actually. I do love Technic makeup. It's so affordable, but it's really good quality. I forgot to mention as well actually that this calendar is like, I can't remember it, about £35 I think. It's so affordable, you know, compared to a lot of the other ones that are like 200 and something. I mean, they do have, excuse me, they do have higher end products in there, but you know, if you're looking for something that's just nice and affordable but still good at the same time, this is perfect. Right, number two. So number two is like this. What do we reckon? A lip product? Sure is. So it's one of these. I actually really like these. This colour's really nice as well. Matte lip cream. Oh, they smell nice. So this one is, oh, look at that. Like that. That is such a nice shade. Really nice. That is my kind of shade actually. Like my perfect shade. Look really nice with that eyeshadow I just swatched as well. Number three, very similar to the last one. And this one, oh, this is a mascara. I wanted to try this one actually. Yeah, Jojoba Oil Mascara Intense Lash. It's got brown dots. Does that mean it's brown? I don't mind. I like a brown mascara. Nope, it's black, but look at that wand. It's a really nice conical wand. I love these. They're really good for separating the lashes. Yeah, that looks really nice. Number four, we've got another square. Oh, brow oil. Is this like a skincare type thing? Oh, that feels really luxury actually. This is glass. That's really nice. Is it one of those? Yeah, it's like a rollerball. I think this is like a nourishing brow oil. Does this enhance growth? Yeah, it does. Oh, and rosemary oil as well. So yeah, we've got sunflower seed oil to help prevent breakage, sweet almond oil to hydrate and soften the brow hairs, and rosemary oil to strengthen the hair. So I'm going to use this, you know, because I don't get much growth like around the front parts of my brow. And yeah, I'd be quite interested to see how well that works. Nice. Number five, we've got another rectangle. This looks like a lip or an eyeliner pencil, lip pencil, eyeliner, gel eyeliner. So we've got that one there, which is, you know, a black gel eyeliner. Looks really nice. How smooth is it? Oh, very smooth. Yeah, lovely. Really nice. Gel eyeliners are really good for your waterline underneath, because I find that, you know, they don't budge on the waterline, which is what you want. And because they're quite soft and like smudgy as well, they're quite good for, you know, doing like a little flick or something quite easily. Well, I say that fairly easily. Number six, we've got another square. What is this? A lip balm? Lipstick? not sure. Yeah, so this one here, very red. Let's open it. Oh, it says lipstick on it. Oh, that's a nice red though. It's a really nice like blue toned red, like a really deep red. I love this kind of red, I have to say. Look at that. That's really nice. It's really pigmented as well, actually, and it feels quite moisturising. So we've got our nude sort of product, lip product, and we have a nice bright red in there as well. Really nice for Christmas. 7 is another rectangle. Oh, we've got another skincare one. Eye brightening boost. So like that, we've got a little eye cream in there. Looks really nice, actually. Nice packaging. I like this kind of ombre here. I wonder if it's got, yeah, it says at the top there, vitamin C. It was hidden under the cardboard. But yeah, vitamin C, really nice and brightening for the under eyes. Number 8. Oh, we've got another one of these. This is a nice one as well. So this one is Dating Game, it says on it. They've got shade names. So this one is Got a Crush, which was in number 1. And this one is Dating Game. So like that. We'll swatch those as well. Really not, oh, that matte's not, maybe I didn't dig in very much. It might be my fault. There we go. So that's what those ones are like. Lovely. These little duos are good for travelling actually, because obviously you've only got 2 shades in there, but they're perfect for, especially this one, because you can like, you know, just swipe the matte shade over pretty much the whole lid and then just use your finger and just pop a little bit of shimmer on the inner half of the lid or something. Number 9. Oh, this feels like a palette. Define and Highlight. Little contour kit just there. Very nice. I don't know actually. I was going to say it looks quite dark, but I don't think it is. Sometimes I think these look dark, but they're actually not too bad. Like they're buildable, if you know what I mean. So that's what those are like. Very pigmented. Oh, look at that highlight. That's really nice. Really nice actually. It feels lovely as well. It's one of those ones that's very like powdery, but it's very fine at the same time. So yeah, really nice. But this one here, even though it does look dark, I reckon if you were to just kind of dip in very lightly with your brush, and you can go quite light-handed with it and then build it up if you need to. I've lost count. Where were we? What was that? 8, 9? 9? Yeah, must have been. Right, 10 is another one like this. Oh, an eye primer. So we've got this one here, which is the eye canvas or eye primer eyeshadow base. Very nice. 11, we have a liquid eyeliner here. So, you know, one of the, I think it's probably got a brush. Yeah, like a little brush tipped liner just there. I don't really use them, to be honest, but they are, you know, I used to when I was good at eyeliner. I'm not anymore. Number 12. Oh, this one feels quite heavy actually. Number 12, we have a little colour correcting palette here. Really nice. So we've got, you know, yellow, we've got green, purple, like a peachy tone, a bit more of like a very cool sort of contour tone, and a lighter peach in there as well. That's really good for everyone. You know, you've got something for everything and everyone in there. So that's really nice. Number 13, we have the Pore Perfect primer. Is this like a putty primer? Yeah, it doesn't smell of anything. Oh, a little bit. So yeah, it's one of those like putty type primers. I actually for someone that has, I mean, I've got powder on there at the moment, but for someone that has quite large pores, like around here especially, these are really good for concentrating on those areas. I do have a full face of Technic's makeup coming up next week, so I haven't filmed it yet. I've just scheduled it in for next week. So anything here that I don't already have in what I've got prepared for that, I'll chuck in there as well. Right, so number 14, is it? Yeah. Oh, this one's a light. So it's like this. I reckon this is a pencil lip liner, eyeliner. Yeah. We have the Eye Opener retractable eyeliner, like a nude shade. Do you know what? I used to wear these all the time, and I haven't for a long time, just because I forgot. But these are great for, again, waterline, for like brightening up the eyes. Because you know how you get, mine especially, are quite kind of pinky there. If you've done an eye look and you pop this on, it really does finish it off nicely. Number 15. Oh, we've got another Single Mingles. So another one of these. Are they both? Yeah, these are both matte shades. We've almost got a full eyeshadow palette here. So we've got this really nice like peachy tone here, and then a more, almost a bronzer sort of shade. Very nice. Yeah, I think they're nice. Number 16. Oh, this one's a bit different, I think. No, it's not. Right, so this one is a clear brow gel. So it's quite big, isn't it? So we've got that one there, which is, oh, it's a nice little brush. So brushes like that. It's quite firm as well, which is good for, you know, getting right to the root. Number 17. Oh, a gel bronzer. So we've got this like, you know, cream sort of bronzer, but in a gel formula, I would assume. So like that. I'll just blend that out a bit for you. That's quite dark actually. That'd be too dark for me. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's another one where you can like build it. Blends out lovely though. Look how nice that blends out. Yeah, maybe it's one of those ones that it's buildable. You know, you can just use a tiny amount, or you know, you can use more if you want to. Beautiful formula though, really nice. As I say, it blends out so well, and that was just with my finger. Number 18 is this one here. We have another mascara, Skinny Mascara. What's this? Cool, that's firm in there, like that. Can't make out what colour that is. I can't tell what colour it is. I don't know if it's like a brown or a black, because it kind of looks black, but then it's got almost a bit of a greyish tone to it, or even like a little bit of a purple tone. How close can I get that? Can you see on the wand? I'm not sure. I'll have to try it, but yeah, I suppose it does look black. I'm really confused. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what colour it is. Number 19. God, I feel like I've got through these really quickly. We have another Single Mingles. So this one is like this. This is, look at this shade. That's really nice. That would be nice for deepening the outer corner. So this really nice deep brown here, and this beautiful shimmer shade. So like that. And there, like, oh, look at that. Look at the pigment on that matte shade. That shimmer's nice as well though. Nice peachy shimmer. We've only got 5 left. Number 20, another pencil. Have we got a lip liner? I'm waiting for a lip liner. Yes. So it's like this. How cute is this packaging? I like this like wood effect. And this one, oh, that's a nice shade as well. In the Buff, this one's called. So it's like that. It's quite smooth. Really nice. Like your typical kind of pink nude shade, but these are really good because they go with most things. 21. Oh, cute. A little liquid blush here. I love a liquid blush. This shade looks really nice. So this one is in the shade, I was going to say vegan then. No, it is vegan, but it's not the shade, it's Koi. So it's like that. Oh, that's really nice. I'm really impressed with these because look, they can blend out so much. I put the tiniest amount on there. It's really nice and dewy as well. That's my kind of product. That is lovely. 22. Oh, this one's very light. Almost feels empty, but it's not. We have a lip gloss. So this is the Water Gloss. It's really cute actually, isn't it? It's got one. Oh, is it? No, I thought it was one of those flexible ones. So we've got one of these. Yeah, I mean it's just like a very sheer pink, pretty much clear. High shine lip oil, Pink Lake. How cute. So yeah, nice little lip balm, lip oil there. Next we have 23, 2 left. Oh, cute. We've got a roll-on or rollable lip balm here, or lip gloss. How adorable is that packaging though? Little cherry one. Does it smell like cherries? Drop the lid. So that's what it's like. Little rollable just there. Let's just. I can't tell if it smells of cherry or not because I've had so many swatches on my hands and arms. That's kind of like all I can smell is my micellar water. I don't think it does. I don't think it has a scent. I can't smell anything anyway. And very lastly, we have number 24. What do we reckon? Eyeshadow palette? I reckon this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. And it is. Oh, these are great, these little mini ones. So we've got this one here, which is the Mini 6 Heat. Heat is on edit. Yeah, these are really nice little palettes if you can get them open. Oh no, I've just broken a nail. Oh well, it's my fault for digging it in. Right, so this one is like this. Really cute. Really nice warm tones in here. We'll give them a swatch. Loads of eyeshadows, isn't there? So the first 4 are like this. This would be great for Halloween, you know. I know it's for Christmas, but look at the pigment on them. They're crazy. For the price of these products, the pigment is ridiculous. There's 2 more. There is a little one of these as well. Do you know what? They're actually, loads of people say, oh, they're naff. I don't know why people put them in. They're not the best, you know, for doing a full eye look, but they're great for applying shimmers. And then, oh, look at that one. The last 2 here. Really nice. Nice, as I say, nice little warm toned eyeshadow palette. Lovely. Do you know what? I think that is an absolute bargain. It really is. And great for all ages as well, I would say. I mean, I'm in my 40s and I love Technic makeup. They do some really good products. But also for like younger, you know, girls, boys, whatever as well. These would be really nice products as well. Really affordable. I can't get over how affordable this is for the products that are in there. There is some great products in here. There really is. As I say, there's some that I wanted to try anyway, like that mascara. And also, not just as an advent calendar, but if you wanted to, and you've got like, you know, a few people to give gifts to, you can like, these are great products for, you know, just buy a calendar and open it up. And then you've got loads of stocking fillers or little gifts or whatever, or you can make a little hamper even out of these. I think this is great. Really, really good. So as always, I will link the calendar in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.